Today we have a frequently asked question for you.
Yeah, won't eating that much fat be bad for my heart?
That's a good question.
Yeah, well, so the easiest way to answer this is actually to, well, look to some of the experts that we know in the keto community, like Dr. Brett Scher, a cardiologist, or
Nadir Ali.
Yeah, also a cardiologist. So about halfway through the 20th century, there was a doctor who, he didn't want people eating animals, is when it comes down to. He put forth a theory that having saturated fats was going to be bad for people. So he went and collected some data, threw out half of it, and we have the diet heart hypothesis.
This is Ansel Keys, by the way.
The short version of it is, for the last 50, 60, 70 years, the theory that eating fat is bad for you has been tested over and over and over at enormous expense, and it's never been proven true. To the contrary, it's been proven false. So, is that much fat going to be bad for you? No, but eating a lot of refined sugar and carbohydrates will be bad for you is what it really comes down to. So if you want to get a lot more information about this subject, and maybe something that you can take back to your doctor, well, we're not doctors, but we know a lot of doctors who do keto and have some really great information. We're going to put some links in the description of this video to some stuff by Dr. Ken Berry.
And Nadir Ali.
And Brett Scher. Hey, he says, if you want a healthy heart, eat a steak, because he's a cardiologist.
Yes.
So thank you.
Bye.